Once again, it's time for an exercise. As always, if you haven't closed down the source code files in the editor window, do that now. Now, open the P1_exercises source file and complete all the requirements in this exercise before moving on. As of this point, we're roughly halfway through this Programmer 1 course, and we've covered quite a bit of information so far. This exercise is going to be a bit more comprehensive as we start putting all of these concepts together. The basic goal of this exercise is to code a system that will control a projector by expanding upon the projector lift code that we wrote in a previous exercise. Here are the details. In the touch panel file, add a power on and a power off button to the projector lift pop-up page. Since we are now controlling a projector, let's rename this page Projector Control instead of just Projector Lift. Be sure to change the touch panel device definition. Name it DVTP_projector instead of DVTP_lift. The projector we're using is the Epson Powerlight 905. Download and implement this module into the code. Plan on using the second RS232 port on the Netlinks controller. Write the necessary code to control the power on and power off buttons on the touch panel. There are several conditions that must be followed. Using the feedback from the module, track the power status from the projector. Hint: there are 3 parameters. Projector's power is on/off, projector is warming, and projector is cooling. The projector on command can only be sent if the projector is currently off. The projector cannot be in warming or cooling mode. The projector off command can only be sent if the projector is currently on. The projector cannot be in warming or cooling mode. The projector lift should be tied into the projector power state. The reason for this is so it's not possible to have the projector on and the lift up in the ceiling, potentially creating a fire hazard. Implement the following requirements. Add a conditional statement that makes it impossible to move the lift up if the projector is on. When feedback from the projector is received and the projector is warming, check to see if the lift is down. If it's not, bring the lift down. When the projector is cooling down, you should trigger the lift to go up. Finally, add feedback statements for the projector power on and power off buttons. Be sure to compile every step of the way. Don't attempt to create all this code and compile it when you're done. When you've finished, move on to the next tutorial, which will review each step of this exercise and hopefully answer any questions you may have.